Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, June 20th, 2025. Happy first day of summer. Hope you're having a great day so far. If you've never been to my channel before, I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money by using social media and direct mail marketing. Now, with that being said, summer freedom starts with one postcard. So, it's the first day of summer, and while everybody's out planning barbecues and vacations and, thinking about all the cool things there are to do in the summertime, I'm thinking about mailbox money. Because, honestly, freedom doesn't take a summer break, right? There's no such thing as a break when you are building an empire. And that's the mentality that you have to have. That's the mindset that you have to have. Understanding that if you're going to build a mailbox money empire or direct mail empire, whatever you want to call it, that you have to show up every single day. And if you're not building your own empire, you can start this summer, the first day of summer, start today with just one postcard, one letter, one flyer, one piece of content that you create. All right? And once you get into the swing of things, and once you start getting into your rhythm, you just do your same routine every single day. And that's what it takes. But if you're not building your own empire right now, I think it's foolish for people not to be, because there's so much uncertainty in the world that we just don't know what's going to happen. And even if you think you have a great secure job, you don't know. AI's taking over things. I hear about it all the time. People are reaching out to me. They've been at a job for 20, 25, 30 years or more, and they're getting let go. And now there's no better time than now than to start building your own empire. And in my opinion, in all the years that I've been doing this, it doesn't get any easier than direct mail. All right? You're basically sending out postcards, you stay consistent, and by doing that, you generate mailbox money. Okay? I woke up to two $50 sales this morning, $100. And that is because of the efforts that I'm putting in every single day. Right? When you start creating content on Facebook and YouTube, those pieces of content stay up there forever. Right? So the videos that I'm making, this video that I'm making now, I'm going to upload later, it's going to be on YouTube forever. And it's going to be doing work for me, right? People will watch it. If they're interested, they'll go to my website, they'll check out my opportunities, and some of them join. And it's the same with the letters that you're sending out, or the postcards, or flyers, however it is you decide to market these opportunities. When you send that out, I always, use the analogy of it being a tree. You're planting seeds, and over time, those seeds will grow into trees. Some of them will. And that's what you have to do. But, it's the first day of summer, and yes, it's awesome to think about all the fun things you do in the summertime. It's fun to plan barbecues and vacations and all that stuff. But wouldn't it be nice knowing that you don't have to go and be stuck in a cubicle all summer, or know that you don't have to be clocking in at your 9-to-5 job, or just simply know that you don't have to do things that you don't want to do? To be able to have that complete time freedom, that is true wealth. All right? Is being free. It's not about the amount of money that you make. It's about knowing that you can do whatever you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not worry about cash flow. Not everybody needs to make $1 million a year. Some of you watching this, maybe an extra $500 or $1,000 a month would be life-changing to you. Maybe an extra $5,000 a month would be life-changing to you. Whatever it is. You don't always have to think that you have to be a millionaire to have a good life, or to have complete time freedom. But I like having summers where we can go and do whatever we want to do and not worry about anything. That's the beauty of building something for yourself. Because there's nothing wrong with jobs. I've had more jobs, and I've worked longer at jobs than I have for myself. So I'm not knocking on jobs, but a job is an acronym for just over broke. Most people are never going to get wealthy by working a job. All right? Because for whatever reason, most jobs have salary caps. No matter what it is you're doing. If you work at a law firm, most law firms, they have salary caps for their lawyers. If you're a doctor, most hospitals have salary caps for doctors. It's like that across the board, right? And a lot of times, in order to get to the highest possible salary earnings, you have to be there for the longest amount of time, 10, 15, 20 years. When you build your own direct mail business, the sky's the limit. The only thing that's keeping you from earning money is yourself. You can literally, there's people in this industry that make 6 figures a year. There's people that make 7 figures a year. I'm reading about a guy who's earned hundreds of millions of dollars since the 80s using direct mail. It's totally up to you. And I can't guarantee you'll make anything if you join any of my programs, because most people don't do the work. Most people do not show up every single day and take action for whatever reason. They just don't. But I can tell you the ones that do, they get results. Because it's not rocket surgery, right? It's simple. You show up every day, you do small income producing activities, and you stay consistent. And you don't stop. You just never stop. You just keep going. You have to become a well-oiled machine, and you just go. But this summer could change everything for you. Health is your true wealth. Health is true wealth. But to have complete time freedom, you want to build an empire. You want to, show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. Be consistent. Just like the summer sun, it comes out, right? The sun comes up every day. It doesn't matter if you see it or not. It's out every single day. That's what you have to do. You have to show up every single day, whether you want to or not. And it just doesn't get any easier. But it's the first day of summer. It's a brand new season. Take action today. Stop procrastinating. Stop making excuses. And take action. Everybody wants to make more money. The richest people on earth want to make more money. Everybody wants to live a better life. So stop settling for what you have. Take action. Start building a direct mail business. I'm here to help you out. If you have any questions, reach out to me. If you need opportunities or coaching, or you can join my newsletter, you just go to joinruss.com. Okay? Joinruss.com. It has all my opportunities, my coaching, my newsletter, everything. You can reach out to me, and I'm here to help you out. I'm not here to do the work for you, though. Mind you that. I'm not here to do the work for you. I will help you. I will point you in the right direction. I will make sure you get off to a strong start, but you have to be willing to show up and take the time and treat this like a business and show up every single day. That's on you. If you don't get results, it's on you. It's not on me or anybody else. You have to be willing to show up every day, take action, massive action, and stay consistent. And that's what will win the game, okay? So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I hope you all have a great first day of the summer, all right? It's a new season, so take action. Change your life. Don't settle for what you have. We're only here for a short time, and you might as well make the best of it and have the best that life has to offer, right? So I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.